Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add animated gradient background effect in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add animated background effect. So we will add animated gradient background effect using CSS. Now go to website gradient-animator.com. You see CSS gradient animator. Now you see animation name. Also you see gradient angle, scroll angle. So you can adjust according to your requirement. And then you see speed. So you can increase or decrease speed according to your requirement. And then you see add color. So click on it. So you can select color according to your requirement and then click on select. So we are going to add more color. So click on add color again. So now select color and then click on select. Again click on add color. If you want, you can add more than one color, 2, 3, 4 according to your requirement. So you can add multiple color. Now select and then click on select again and then enable Opera. Now you see CSS and then you see preview. So click on it. Now you see animated gradient background effect. Now copy all CSS. Now copy. Go to Elementor page. So this is a section or container. Now you see edit container. So click on it. On left side you see advanced. So again click on it. Now scroll down. You see custom CSS. So expand it. So custom CSS option only available in Elementor Pro plugin. Now paste. Now you see we added custom CSS in custom CSS tab in advanced setting. Now you see class dot css hyphen selector. Now remove and then just add selector because we are using custom CSS. Now you see effect is applied and then click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see animated gradient background effect using CSS in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.